What up, YouTube? Daddy1824 with the MAILDAY. Let's see, I got a package from my boy. Let's see if I can cover up this. My boy Paulie. I got in a group break. I can't remember whose. Brent, I think. For the Panini Gold Standard or whatever the hell it is. And I got an eBay package in. We'll start with the group break. I'm trying to put these in order. I had the Chargers. I ended up with this Vincent Brown Gold Leaf Rookies jersey, numbered to 299. A Antonio Gates jersey, numbered to 299. And this nice Jordan Todman, if you can call it Jordan Todman nice. And why it's nice is it is numbered 1/5. So real nice. And then we'll do eBay. This is number 2 on my all-time wants list, and I got it for cheap. Well, cheap is a relative term, I guess. But I'll try and slow roll it for you guys, even though I don't do slow rolls. I guess we'll go up. That's a Chipper Jones autograph. But as you can see, that's Derek Jeter with his autograph at the top. But Chipper Jones, Derek Jeter, dual autograph out of 99 Stadium Club. The card is absolutely disgusting. I've wanted one. It's still, and it's still got its seal on it. Just disgusting card. And then on to my boy Paulie. Paulie, I've said this before, and I don't think I need to say it again, but I will. Paulie is one of my better friends, probably my best friend on YouTube. There's not a day that goes by that I don't talk to Paulie. When I'm having a bad day, he knows about it, and vice versa, you know. So, Paulie is my boy. You didn't have to send me anything, but thank you, for sure. And I opened the package, but I did not open any of these. So, and I saw this one had a note. How did I know that? It says note. Note, sucker. Oh yeah, that's right. I bought some cards off Paulie, I think, a while back. Here are a few cards for your PC. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for the purchase, Paulie. No problem, brother. You've helped me out with purchases in the past, and it's only fair I do the same. So we'll start here, if I can get these out. There we go. See, we got Joey Devine autograph. Nice, I don't have any Joey Devine stuff. The baby's crying. Del Murphy bat. That is sick, from Topps Pristine. I don't think I've ever even seen that card. That's awesome. And then this sick John Smoltz. Paulie knows Smoltz is one of my favorite pitchers of all time. Nice jersey from Triple Threads, numbered to 36. I guess we'll go here. I bought a bunch of stuff off of them. Giovanni Gallardo autograph. Pretty sure all this stuff will be for trade or for sale. I might do a round of mystery packs, I don't know. If you'd be interested in mystery packs, leave a comment. Giovanni Gallardo, Hector Noesi auto. That's numbered to 999. That's nice. Junior Seau Doug Flutie dual jersey. Numbered to 100. That's real nice right there. Jarrell Jernigan patch auto to 399 from Inception. And another one from Inception numbered to 500. Just the regular rookie auto. And I'm pretty sure that's the stuff I bought off of them, if I remember correctly. Oh wait, maybe this might be part of it too. Yeah, I think it is. There's a Ryan Braun top sterling 1-5 piece, numbered to 25. That's really sick. And a Alcides Escobar, numbered to 75 on card, rookie auto. Actually, it's just the future phenoms. I don't think that's the rookie version. So thank you very much, Paulie, especially for these. Sick, brother. That is awesome. The Murphy. And like I said, you're one of the people who know Schmaltz is my favorite. There's his autograph right about there, if you can't see it. And Joey Devine, awesome, brother. Greatly appreciated. Like I said, you didn't have to send me nothing except for what I paid for, and I appreciate it. Paulie's link will be below. If you're not subbed to him, you should be. This may have a new home sitting here in all my videos. Maybe not there. Maybe we'll cover up Greg Maddux a little bit. Put him next to Walter Payton. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.